Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, you guys. Last night we parked in Sausalito again, right on the water, and had a beautiful morning. And now we are getting ready to cross the Golden Gate Bridge this morning and spend some more time in San Francisco. All right, here we go. All right, well, that was really fun crossing over the bridge. And now we are just going to make a few stops trying to get some good pics and video of the bridge from different views. So we're striking out a little bit this morning. There's a lot of viewpoints of the bridge that I want to check out, but we keep finding roads closed.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto 25th Avenue.
And some of those are places we were at in the past when we were here in 2018. But basically we're just going to keep driving around. We're going to keep going, maybe try to find a couple other spots, and then move on to our next activities of the day.
In 500 feet, turn left onto 26th Avenue.
I think that actually does it for the views of the Golden Gate Bridge because of the difficulties navigating. So we have now come over to the ocean side of the city. The Pacific is right in front of us. We are at the Land's End Lookout. Land's End is a rugged stretch of coastline on the northwest edge of San Francisco, where cliffs drop sharply into the Pacific Ocean and coastal trails wind through cypress and eucalyptus trees. The area offers sweeping views of the Golden Gate Bridge, the Marin Headlands, and the open sea. Looking down from the parking area, you can see the ruins of the Sutro Baths, once a grand public swimming complex. Built in 1894, it originally featured multiple saltwater pools, museums, and promenades. The baths were a marvel of engineering and a symbol of San Francisco's ambition. After a fire and years of decline, only concrete foundations and walls remain, now slowly reclaimed by wind, waves, and vegetation, creating a dramatic landscape where history and nature meet. Our last stop in San Francisco is Golden Gate Park. There are 3 botanical gardens here that are part of the WRAP membership program, so they're free for us. We're going to check out 2 of them today.
And fellas, I see you eyeballing my threads. Don't be jealous.
Do you guys recognize his threads? They're from Schoolie Swarm Prom. The Japanese Tea Garden in Golden Gate Park is a peaceful retreat that blends traditional Japanese design with Northern California's natural beauty. Winding paths lead visitors past koi ponds, arched bridges, carefully pruned trees, and stone lanterns that create a calm, contemplative atmosphere. Originally developed in the late 19th century, the garden reflects classic elements of Japanese landscape architecture. Its tea-house, pagoda-style structures, and seasonal plantings invite quiet reflection and offer a timeless contrast to the surrounding city. nice execution. Finished up our time at the Japanese tea garden, and now we're taking a little break for lunch. It's one of the cutest things she does. Alright, well, we had some lunch. I got some work done, and now I am leaving Steve behind with the kitty in the van. He's going to do some editing while I check out the other botanical garden. I was at this botanical garden back in 2018 and loved it, so I'm really looking forward to taking a little walk through here. And I already hear a lot of hummingbirds. The San Francisco Botanical Garden is a 55-acre living museum of plants from around the world. Set within the diverse landscapes of Golden Gate Park, the garden, which originally opened to the public in 1940 as an arboretum, now features approximately 8,000 different plant species. Spanning dozens of themed gardens, it showcases collections from Mediterranean climates, cloud forests, and temperate regions, all thriving in San Francisco's cool, fog-influenced environment. Meandering paths guide visitors through towering trees, vibrant seasonal blooms, and rare plant species. Okay, so I am absolutely thrilled. We have been seeing hummingbirds everywhere the last few days, and they're just so fast it's hard to get them on camera. So finally I saw this little guy here. He's just been hanging out, so it was really cool to get some pictures and footage of him. Or her. Cute little buggers. Wow, look how pretty these are. And at first I thought I was smelling them. Something smells amazing, but I don't think it's these. I think it's actually a tree up there. Something smells really good. The gardens here at Golden Gate Park are fabulous. And something that I really like about them is that they are free for San Francisco residents. I think that's pretty cool. Look, we could have had these for lunch. Salad bowl. I had a great time walking around in that garden. If you come here and you have to choose between one of the 3 gardens, I definitely recommend that one. It's the biggest. It has such a great variety of plants. I barely even saw it all. Last time I was here, same thing. I saw part of it, but it's so big it's hard to see it all. Love it.
Continue on 11th Avenue for half a mile.
Look,
Sight for sore eyes.
you're gonna be able to get some go juice. We have made our way just south of San Francisco now to an area that's got a Panera and a Planet Fitness, which is very important for us. I really enjoyed our time in Sausalito and San Francisco. Of the 2, I actually preferred our time in Sausalito with the beautiful views of San Francisco from across the water. I just thought it was a delightful little area. A little less crazy than San Francisco itself, but I definitely enjoyed our time in both areas. Also, I would say that because we've been here before, it made it a little bit better for us because we had less pressure to see everything. We saw a lot back in 2018, so we could kind of just relax and do whatever. And there are some things we missed this time, but it was okay because we've seen them before. So I think it was a nicer pace for us. And what did you think, or what did you enjoy?
I also enjoyed Sausalito. It was fun taking the ferry over to San Francisco and putting in a long day and being rewarded with a game of Miss Pac-Man. Could never go wrong there. So this is where we're going to leave you for this episode. As always, we love hearing from you, so drop us a comment below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the like button. And until next time, we'll see you south.
This is where we're going to leave you for this episode. If you enjoy our videos, please consider becoming a patron by using the link on the screen that we've also included in the video description, along with information about today's adventure and our channel. A special thank you to all our patrons. We appreciate your ongoing support. Thanks for coming along with us on this van life adventure. Please take a second to hit the like button below, leave a comment to let us know you're watching, and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget, you can also connect with us and see my photos of the places we visit on our Facebook and Instagram.